Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Riding the Reaper. Today we're out here with one of my old friends, Andre, and we got Ginger Ninja riding in the back. Yeah, basically this is a 1400 Corsa, and he just had the exhaust system done, also tuned, or not tuned yet? Not tuned yet, but we just did the exhaust quickly, and she moves with the exhaust there. She's got some speed to her. We're just out doing an essential run. He popped around, so we might as well just take the East car out and do an essential run and see what the car's all about after the exhaust has been done. She's got a nice tone to her now.
Full stainless steel.
Yeah, full stainless steel there. And then what else is done to her?
Free flow, 2 boxes. Don't want it too loud.
So free flow, 2 boxes, full stainless steel system. It's not too loud. It's I mean, for 1400 it sounds very decent, sounds nice. And yeah, she's definitely got some more Vuma now. She's definitely got some more Vuma to her now. Hey, sounds lekker. Yo, that sounds weird, eh?
Feels like as well.
Some nice downshifting there as well, with the sound of the downshift. Sounds lekker. It's got like a lekker drone to it. I don't know if the mic's can pick it up now. What we're gonna do is just run the GoPro on the way back, pull over and just pop the GoPro on so we can have some nice sound there. GC blew my freaking beanie off, my bro. This thing treks for 1400. It's like a nippy and small, so you can do shit with this car that you can't really do with mine. My car will be sliding all around the place, my bro. We're just gonna quickly pull in here, strap the GoPro on, and get some quick cinematics of the car as well, guys. Sunday fun day. Okay, so this is Andre's first official drive in the car. He hasn't been in the car yet, even before the exhaust and all that. So we're just going to take him on a little cruise, not very fast.
Yeah, then quiet.
Nice.
About 3/4 pedal.
It went quiet now, eh?
Fucking loud. Nice.
Sound lekker, eh? Not bad.
Yeah, it's got a ability with volume up. Like,
That sounds more.
Yeah, the drone.
Yes.
Lekker.
Yeah, that sounds more. It sounds so different at the back.
Is it?
Yeah.
That chopping sounds lekker. There's nog nieuwe exhaust bij, we kunnen rijken. You just smell the welding, my bro.
The first week I drove that stainless steel exhaust weg.
Ah, uitgerij al.
Sounds like
Same for
Wait.
in front there.
Ah,
Yeah.
so go get him. Oh, he's coming this way.
Yeah, he's going on the highway.
I like that.
That idle.
Like that wiggle the car gives.
Yeah, like this. When you rev and the car goes like this. That's what's that unbalancing of the V6 when it pulls like that to the side when you rev. Enjoying yourself here at the back.
Just a little.
Just a little. But je pulls lekker, hè?
Oh, lekker, ja.
Krachtig. That's 3/4 pedal, it's not full pedal down. That's not flat foot, is about that much off the ground.
Going lekker now.
Flat foot, then she starts losing traction. Those Falcon tires at the back's not lekker.
So
Get
there's three tires.
Yeah, still street tires on get street slicks. And the gearbox is still the shifting solenoids, that's why I'm shifting manually. Because the shifting solenoids aren't lekker.
But even if it was like, you
But
still
I
be driving.
prefer driving at sport mode.